Hello everyone, welcome back to Aspararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that IMEI or International Mobile Equipment Identity is a unique digit code that identify a mobile device, and it's used for several important functions like verifying a device validity, blocking a stolen phone from accessing a network, and facilitating warranty and repair services. And to check your IMEI number is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first go to settings menu, and then now you can go to about phone, scroll down, and then now you can go to detailed info and specification, and then now you can scroll down and go to status. And then now you can scroll down and you can check your IMEI number for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and make sure that the IMEI number on your phone is matched as the number on your phone box packaging. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to check IMEI number, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.